In Florida, starting a construction project involves more than just hiring a contractor. There are several important legal steps that homeowners must follow. One of the most crucial is filing a Notice of Commencement, or NOC. This document is essential to protect property owners from potential liens and legal disputes during construction. A Notice of Commencement is a public document that must be filed with the local county clerk's office before any significant work begins. It serves as a formal declaration of the project's start date, and it includes important information such as the property owner's name, the contractor's name, and a brief description of the work being performed. Florida law requires the NOC for projects exceeding $2,500 in value, and without it, you can face serious legal and financial consequences. One of the primary purposes of the NOC is to notify all parties involved, contractors, subcontractors, and suppliers, about the construction project. By doing so, it protects homeowners from liens that subcontractors or suppliers may file if they don't receive payment. With the NOC in place, anyone providing materials or labor must give the homeowner a notice to owner within 45 days, making it easier to track who is working on the project and ensure payments are properly managed. Failing to file the NOC can lead to complications. For instance, if a contractor fails to pay a subcontractor, that subcontractor could place a lien on the property, which could delay or stop the project. With an NOC, homeowners have a legal mechanism to ensure that all parties are paid and that no liens remain on the property once the project is completed. In short, filing a Notice of Commencement is a key step in protecting your rights as a Florida homeowner during a construction project. It ensures transparency and accountability, preventing financial disputes and helping to keep the project on track.